Here we've got Motorola One Macro, and let me show you how to activate 3-finger screenshot on the following device. So to activate it, you have to open the settings, then find and select Moto, and here you will notice Moto actions. So just click here, and now you will notice 3-finger screenshot. So if you would like to touch the screen with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, just tap on the switcher. And now it's active. Just like that, just by tapping on the switcher you can do it. And if you would like to try it out, just click on try it out. Now place your fingers right here. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So let's open some display that we can capture. It can be, for example, sheets. And just place your fingers here and the screenshot has been taken. You can also take a long screenshot. Actually, we have no content to capture, but I will show you it in the settings. So just open the settings, and here if you would like to capture all the settings, just place your fingers, then select this icon, scroll down, click on stop, and as you can see now you've got the long screenshot. Just save it, and that's it. So basically this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easy activate 3-finger screenshot. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.